aircraft to crowd left, reduces the power, slowing the Raptor down to less than 90 knots and loads up on a high angle of attack. After the pass, you'll once again feel the raw power of the jet as Major Dickinson lights those afterburners and climbs straight into the vertical. Ladies and gentlemen, from the left, the Raptor's slow speed pass.